Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Testicular tumors, and we're looking at the most common. So we'll look at some age groups and see the respective tumors. So in age groups of 15 to 34 years. So here the common yolk sac tumor will be the germ cell tumors. There's a germ cell tumors. And then we look at the adults. The adults, it includes the seminomatous. So there is seminomatous as well as non-seminomatous. Then when we move on to the elderly group, there is the lymphoma. And looking at the germ cell testicular tumors, there is a seminoma. In the elderly group, there was lymphoma. Here it is seminoma. Then lastly, when we look at the bilateral testicular tumors, it includes the lymphoma. So lymphoma is in elderly group as well as the bilateral testicular tumors. So here it is, the lymphoma. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.